Okay, Petey. Now look it. Ready to play some rocking? Look. I got it right here. Look at Petey. Petey, ready? Get that ball. Oh, just get it. Oh, just get that ball. Get that ball. Come on. Oh, get that ball. Oh, yeah, get it. Looky here, Petey. Petey. Oh, yeah. Where's being silly? Where's being silly? Yep. Where's being silly? Starting to get wet. Oh, yeah. I'll get you. Oh, I'll get you. Where's the... I'll get you. I'm gonna get you. Look in that ball. Oh, here's being silly. Oh, yeah. I'll get you. I'll get you. I'll get you. Ha, ha, ha. Ha, ha, ha. You getting me? Huh? Are you getting me, Petey? I'll get you. Ha, ha. I'm gonna get you. Getting the ball? So yeah, see? You know, I can't catch up with you. You're silly. Yeah, silly. Mwah, 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 mwah. You're silly. I'm gonna get you. Let's go. Woo, look at that pretty girl. I'll get you. I'll get you. Where's the pretty girl? Look out. I'll get you. Where's she is? I'll get you. Where's the pretty girl? I'll get you. Oh, I get the pretty girl. Ha 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 ha. I get you. Oh, where do you think you're going? Hmm? Gosh, I'm trying to follow you. You're being pretty fast. I get ya. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I get you. I'm gonna get you. But watch out. I'm gonna get you. I'll get you. I'll get you. Ha ha ha. Ha ha ha. You're silly. Yeah, come on, pretty silly girl. Oh, you pretty silly girl. Sure are. Yes, sure are. You having fun running around like that? I'm having fun playing. Yeah. Want to go back over here? Petey? 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 Want to come back over here? Come on. Come on, Petey. Come on. Come on. Ah, ha, 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 ha. Where's the ball? Where's the ball? There. Go get it. Look at the ball. Where's the ball? You're just being silly crazy. I think so. Pretty. You're just being silly. Look at you. Another kitty? You're just silly. Ah. Got Going now. Hmm? Oh, I see you. I see you. What's up, Bob? Uh-oh. Where's Petey? Where's he is? Where's Petey? Here she comes. Here she comes. Hi. Let's go. Where's the ball? Here. Where are you going? You're running way away. Hert's going way away. Way out there. I can't see you. I can't see you. Oh, pretty. Here she comes. Ah, you silly girl. You crazy silly girl. Oh, get you. Where the ball is now. Here it is. Ready? Here it comes. There it goes. Get it. Get the ball. It's really kind of starting to rain harder again, baby. Yeah. I like how you ran out in the woods and came back. It scared me. Yeah, I do. Yeah, I do. I like how you did that. Sure. I get you. Oh. What are you gonna do? You gotta go find some place to lay down and stay dry? Hmm? What are you gonna do, pretty? You going now? Gonna go for a while? Come back, okay? Pretty. Pretty. Come back later, okay? When it stops raining. Okay? Are you done playing? Are you done playing? Huh? You done? One more. See one more time? Huh? You want to see one more time? Go. Are you all done? All done? Okay. Come on. Here. You're getting wet. You gotta go find someplace to stay dry. Got a kissy? Got a kissy? Got a kissy? Give me a kissy. Give me a kissy. Give me. Ah, thank you. That's a nice girl. That's a nice girl. Okay. So I see you later on. Alright. You can come back. You can come back later then. Yeah. Aww. Can we hug? Can we hug? Can we hug? Oh, bye-bye, Petey. Oh, look at bye-bye, Petey. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. See ya? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? I got all runny nose again. Oh, there it is. Now it's over there. Up. What you see over there? What is it? What is it, Granny? I don't see something. Yeah. Oh, look at some lunch or afternoon snack. You like those weeds? Well, where you been all summer? Time for snacky. Okay, so I'm gonna go in the house because it's kind of raining. Okay, baby? Uncle Bruce is coming, and when he gets here, and if it's not raining, you'll come back and see us, okay? He will love you. Yeah. Yeah, he's just gonna think you're just the sweetest thing, just like we all do. Yeah. Look at there. You like crickets? That was a cricket. You like them? You like crickets? Oh. Okay. Okay, Petey. I'll see ya later, okay? Bye. Bye, Petey. Bye, Petey. Bye, Petey. Let's see if she's gonna follow me back up to the porch again. Oh, here she comes. Are you coming back? Coming? Come here. Well, come here. Petey. It's getting cold out here, baby. Petey. You coming? We're going. I'm gonna go in the house. I'll see if you come back up here, okay? Bye, Petey. Bye, Petey. Hey, you still got some corn up here, too. Right here, there's still some corn. Petey. Looky. Okay. She's going to graze now for a while, so we're gonna go in because it's cold outside. Bye, Petey.